Okay. So observe these four formulas very carefully. These are algebraic identities where left side will always be equal to right side. Okay. Left side will always be equal to right side. And if you observe it carefully, you will find that the terms which are in left side are given in plus or minus format, but whatever is given in right side is given in multiplication formula. That means, okay. So the right side of these expression are in multiplication format, or you can say that a plus b is the factor of a square minus b square. A minus b is the factor of a square minus b square. Same here, a minus b is the factor of this, and this is also a factor of this. So this is how I have identified, or we have divided, shortlisted, or taken these four formula, and now I'll generalize it. Don't ask for the proof of what I am telling you, but this is a generalization of this factor formula that if any two numbers will have equal power, equal and even power, here what you have is 2. So let me take an example. If there is a number 42 to the power 84 minus 20 19 is to the power 84 only. So what we are seeing, equal power and even power. Okay. And the sign is in minus. So this type of expression is matching with the first one. So all these or these kind of expression will have, like this will have 42 plus 19 as one factor and 42 minus 19 also. So it's not that it will be expressed like this, but there will be a factor which is 42 plus 19 and 42 minus 19 both. So this particular expression can be divided by 23 as well as can be divided by 61. So similarly, we will generalize the second expression in such a way that there will be a odd power, equal odd power with whatever numbers you have. So like you have 54 to the power 23 minus 25 to the power 23. So what do we see here? That we have equal odd powers and the sign is negative, which matches with the second formula. So this means that 54 minus 25 will be a factor of this one. So these particular thing is very frequently used, and probably one of your CAT question will have this, or maybe not CAT. So one of your exam questions which will be appearing this year will have this particular concept. So similarly, you can generalize this also. So let's say I have two numbers, 24 to the power 19 plus 23 to the power 19. So I have odd powers and a plus sign which matches with this. So this will have, or this can be divided by 24 plus 23, which is 47. So this 47 will be a factor of this. And in some cases, if you have like in this one, where you have even power and minus sign, uh, even power and minus sign. So you can convert this into this. So I can also write that 42 to the power 4 minus, if I'll take 4 inside, it will be 21. And for 19 to the power 4, it will have a power of 21. So this particular expression got converted into this one. Where we have two odd powers and we have a negative sign, sorry, minus sign between it. So this particular number will be getting divided by 42 to the power 4 minus 19 to the power 4. And similarly, we can convert the other one also, or if there is a possibility of doing that. So this is some extra complexity that your question can have, but many of the times this will be enough to solve the question. Here with the fourth formula, you don't have such generalization, but there is a very interesting thing that you can observe. If A, B, C are of not of same sign and A plus B plus C, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So in this case, the entire right side will be 0. And that's why A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC will be 0. And this will get converted into another factor formula, which is A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3 into A into B into C. I have just expanded it just to tell you that in this case, A cube plus B cube plus C cube will have a factor 3, a factor A, factor B, a factor C, or B into C, or A into B, or 3 into A, anything. So this will have all these four factors or combination of four factors. So this particular concept is very important. You need to remember it. You need to have it as your tool book. So now the question that you have asked, I will solve through this. So here what you can see that this particular three cubic terms are there and sum of all these three is 0. So 55 plus 17 minus 72 is 0. And that's why this particular expression will get divided by 3 into 55 into 17 into 72. Of course, with minus sign, that doesn't matter. So now you can just find out that which are those two numbers which are there in this terms. So in this particular multiplication, we have 17, not 7, of course, not 7, not 13, not 7, but 3 we have, but not 13. So all these options are not there. 3 and 17 both is there. So we have 3 and as well as 17. So this particular expression will get divided by 3 and 17. So this was one of the problem that you asked, and there can be many problem based on these four factor formula based concept. Okay, तो ये हुआ